Welcome to RealEye video tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to connect RealEye study with an external survey. If you haven't, please see our advanced settings video first. Within the study option, you can choose if you want to conduct the study with an external survey and testers. You have to remember that you won't be able to use RealEye panelists with external survey, and you'll have to invite your own ones. After checking this option, you will be able to put the finished test redirect URL, which will redirect the testers to your survey, and optional skip test button URL, which will redirect testers in case they drop eye tracking test. Also, if you don't want to use an external survey, but also you don't want to show testers the results page, put this URL as finished test redirect URL, and they will see a thank you statement. When all set, click next button and you will see the uploading items page, the second step of study timeline. After putting your images or URLs, you'll be able to set options for every one of them independently. Now you can choose how many testers you want to invite to your study. When you're ready, click Start this study. We're now on the third step of study timeline. You can see how many testers you have chosen and an invitation URL for your testers. You can't go further until the first results from any tester will appear. Copy the link and send it to your testers. To connect survey and test results with a tester, you will need to modify your test recruitment link to pass the variables you want to track. You can add custom variables to your recruitment link using a question mark and join multiple variables using an ampersand, as shown. Here we're adding a tester ID and company ID to identify the tester. Now we can send this modified link to mentioned testers. To learn more, please visit our support page. Thanks for attention.